Hi, I'm Scurry, your vocab buddy. Now you might be wondering what a squirrel like me is doing in the world of vocab. Well, turns out while other squirrels are busy collecting acorns, I'm busy collecting words. From synonyms, antonyms to zealous idioms, I've got it all covered. But hold your acorns. This isn't your regular boring vocabulary class. Oh no, trust me, you and I are gonna have so much fun. Now, enough with the introductions. Let's get started. Hey Ben, where are you going? Hey, I'm going to watch a movie. Watch me dance, dance the night away. La 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 la. The show got cancelled. Ben is miffed that the show got cancelled at the last minute. Miffed, mild form of irritation or annoyance, like something happened and it irritated you, just like this guy. The continuous noise from the construction next door vexed Ben. Vexed. One step further irritation than miffed. In miffed, it's like, mm. In vexed, it's like, mm. Understand the difference? And it also has synonyms which you can use interchangeably. They are perturbed and irritated. The movie director got mad at the actors for not performing the shot well. Mad, informal term for being angry. Tanya got furious when she received the wrong order for the third time. Furious means intense and uncontrollable anger. It doesn't mean this, it means this. Synonyms of furious are outraged, enraged, and infuriated. Now, wait a minute. There's another word. It is wrathful. It is more formal and was often used in older times. It is not used in our normal day to day conversations. It expresses intense anger and often with a sense of vengefulness. For example, the army was fierce and wrathful against the enemy. Let's look at the anger meter, starting from miffed, where we are least irritated. Vexed is when we are irritated. Mad or angry. Furious is intense anger. Wrathful is extreme form of anger. So these are the different stages of anger. And when you encounter them, just sing, you need to calm down. You're being too loud. Bye.